Nestled between floors 2 and 3 of the USF Health Morsani College of Medicine is floor 2M. Located on this unique landing is the Betty Castor and Sam Bell Executive Reading Room and Florida Blue Health Knowledge Exchange. Both spaces are the perfect venue for groups with 15 to 32 individuals seeking a more secluded space. Named for the University of South Florida's 5th president, the Betty Castor and Sam Bell Executive Reading Room offers 4 large tables, comfortable seating, and power outlets for each attendee. For those programs seeking space for testing, exchanging of ideas, or gathering together to discuss issues, this is the perfect venue. The room's design is highlighted with glass entrance doors and floor-to-ceiling windows at each end of the room. The room overlooks the Vesely lobby and out onto the Water Street District neighborhood. The Florida Blue Health Knowledge Exchange is a wonderful complement to the Betty Castor and Sam Bell Executive Reading Room. This high-tech space serves as the Morsani College of Medicine's digital library. For programs on this floor, the Florida Blue Health Knowledge Exchange is the perfect venue for any post-activity social gathering, or travel down one flight of stairs or by elevator to enjoy a post-event reception in the Genshaft Greenbaum Student Center. To learn more, contact the USF Health Downtown Events team online and complete the Plan Your Event section, or call 813-224-7847.